this video, I'm going to show you how to create a course. You're basically going to go up to your profile and click on profile, and this menu bar is going to slide out and you're going to select course creation. Once you select course creation, you'll be able to go in and create a course by clicking on courses here. Then you're going to go in here and click add new, and a new course will pop up. Here you're going to give the course a title, so we'll call it sample course title, and then you're going to enter the course description here. So you're going to do sample course description. I put that here, sample course title and sample course description, and then you can go in here and you can select an image. You can select it from the media library, or you can upload it from your computer. I'm going to select this picture here, and I went ahead and labeled it with the alt text flower and the title flower. This is great for search engine optimization and also for people who have disabilities, such as not being able to see, so they can actually have their computer read it to them. So we will select that, and if you wanted to upload an image, you would select this, and you would select a picture from your computer. So anyway, we'll go back here and select this image. You can also add a category. If you want to add a category, you can add your own category by clicking this and creating a category, or selecting one that's already here. And you can select publish, or you can select draft. As soon as you select publish, it will automatically create your course. I'm not going to look at the course. Actually, I'll open up the course just so you can see it. So this is what the course looks like from the very beginning. We have the sample course description and the sample course title as we showed here. We also have your name as the author of the course and how many courses you've created. So that's what a user will see when they create a course. So close this, and we'll go back to the sample course. So here we're going to click on the builder next, and here you're going to add lessons, and each course can have different lessons. So we'll have lesson, let's do sample lesson 1, and then we'll add an image. And we'll say sample lesson 1, content area. These are some advanced options: creating a lesson timer, creating assignment uploads, if you wanted to upload a file, or if you wanted to do video progressions. You can add a video URL to add a video to your content. Let me show you that. Here is a link you can insert there, and you can have it auto start. You can select some different features here, have the video resume where it left off, and then you can add lessons tags or categories if you want, or a URL if you want to add a lesson URL. And you can select publish, or you can go to the material and you can add let's see here, you have to create this to allow additional lessons. So then you click additional lesson material, and then if you want to add any settings, you can say how soon they can enroll, whether they can enroll in a certain amount of days or on a specific date, or if they can access it immediately. I'm going to say access it immediately, and then I'm going to publish it. And then I'm going to do a second one, sample lesson 2. Add an image, this time I'm just going to put in some sample content. And I'm going to make it bold. You can use some of these here and play around with them. If you want to add a link, so we'll say sample lesson to link. If you want to add a link, you can click here and you can put in a URL. Let's put the URL here, and I like to have it open in a new window, so you're going to want to select that and click OK, and that will show up as the content for this lesson 2. Again, you can add additional material if you want to, so additional material for the lesson 2. If you want to add an image, you can add an image. And you can also click on this and you can make it centered, you can make it left, you can make it right. I like to do centered, and if you need to edit it, you can click on edit. If you want to change the size and make it a custom size, you can say I want it to be 100. Let's just say that for example, and don't make it smaller or bigger. Let's do like 600. So you can make it bigger, and then you can also upload a video if you want to upload a video, which I don't have any in there at the moment. And then you can click on the settings again and say that you want access immediately, and then hit publish. And now you have 2 lessons. And you can click update to make sure that everything is updated. And then if you want to add a quiz, you can go in here and add a quiz. So we'll say sample quiz and click add, and then you're going to click it's going to open up as a new quiz, and here you're going to want to give sample quiz. If you want to change the name, you can do that there, or you can add an image. So we'll add some butterflies, and then we'll go sample quiz description, so you can put a description in there. And again, all of these will work the same. So let's say you want to do a bullet point and say sample quiz 1, sample quiz 2, and let's see here, we want to add some bullet points. There. And you can just kind of play around with it. If you want to do numbers, you can also do a numerical. So sample quiz 1, sample quiz 2, and so on. So there's some content there for the quiz. And if you want to add a category, well, actually you can't add categories there. Let's see here. And then we will go to, we can publish this, and we can view the quiz now. So we can see the content where we put the sample quiz, which is the title, and then we put the description and some bullet points. And so now you can see the title of the sample course with the lessons, and now the quizzes. So we can go back here, and if you want to replace the image, you can replace it there or remove it. You can go into the builder and you can add questions. So now we will add questions. Question 1 for sample quiz. We're going to do multiple choice, and then we're going to say how do you create a course? And then we'll give them 10 points for answering the question. We can give them a hint and say, watch the video. And then if you want to give it an answer. We can add answers and say, watch the video. You can also add media here if you want. You can mark the answer as correct and hit save so that they know that is the correct answer. You can put, add another answer and you can say, pet a puppy and hit save. And then you, for the wrong answer, you can set a message, wrong answer. And for the right answer, you can say, yay, way to go. And you can publish this. So now there is a multiple choice question, and you can update this here. You can now go to the settings, and you can do the settings on a global level that we did individually, whether they can access it immediately or in a certain amount of days or on a specific date. The rest of the settings I wouldn't really touch, but you can hit update and look at the quiz. So you can go back to courses and you will see the sample course. So this is the sample course, and then you can go, this is what people are going to see when they create a course. And here's the video that we uploaded in lesson 1 on how to create a course. Here's the additional lessons material, and here's a sample lesson number 2 here, and the additional material where we added the image. And then you can click on the sample quiz and start the quiz. And it asks you, how do you create a course? And you click watch a video and then finish the quiz, and it gives you your results. And it says you get 10 points. And you can review or restart the quiz and click here to continue. So that's essentially how you would create a course. Now, as far as how to set up the payment for the course, you would go back into the course creation area. And you would go to courses. Click on the course. And you would go to settings, actually you need to go back to the course. And find the URL of the course so we can enter it into this area here. So we're going to log in here. Click on this and go to the sample course, and you're going to see the course URL, and you're going to grab this and copy it. You can hit Command C or Control C on a PC and go to settings, click on course access settings. If you want buy now, click the URL, enter the price, let's say $110, and hit update. Now someone can purchase the course. Then you're going to go into products and create a new product. And give the product a name. Oh, I hit it twice. So you're going to hit sample product, course, let's say course product. And then we're going to give it a description. This is the product for the sample course we created and you're going to give it a price here, $110, and we're going to select sample course here. And if you're going to give it a group, which is another set of training, you would go there and you would select the group that you want to give it access to. And let's see here. You can enable group registration. Add a short description. And then also search engine optimization. And we're going to add an image for this course. Let's do this one. And you can now hit publish. And now there is a course product. So here is the course product, and somebody can add it to their cart and view the cart and proceed to checkout. And here they would enter their information, any additional information if needed, read the terms and agreements, and they can choose whether they want to pay with a credit card or if they want to pay with PayPal. And then you can also go to your profile and find the course on your profile. So now this sample course that we created now shows up on your profile under your courses because you created a product on the platform, the course creation area. So if you go here, you will find all of the stuff that you created. So you can go back and edit it if you want. If you want to edit the product, you go in here. And you click on sample course product, which is what we created. And you can change the pricing, you can change the description, you can change the image. This is on a slower server right now, I apologize. We're going to be moving it live soon. So here you can change anything you want as far as that. You can also add a category if you want, and so the product is ready to be sold. If you want to go back and edit the course, you can go into the courses area and click on the sample course that we created. And you can give it a title, you can give it an image, you can give it a description, and go from there. So looks like the image disappeared, so I'll re-add the image. And that's how you create a course.